Welcome back, traders. You're tuned into FX Videos, your go-to source for Forex market insights. It's March 22, 2025, and we've got a packed episode covering today's key market moves and setting you up for the next Workday's trading action. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive in. Today's session was nothing short of eventful. Volatility kicked in early as traders reacted to key economic reports and central bank commentary. Here's how the major currency pairs played out. Euro to US dollar. The euro saw pressure after mixed PMI data out of the Eurozone. While Germany showed some resilience, France's numbers came in weaker than expected. The pair tested the 1.0800 level but struggled to hold above it. Pound sterling to US dollar. The British pound faced selling pressure after the Bank of England's latest economic outlook hinted at a possible rate pause. The pair dipped below 1.2600 before recovering slightly into the close. US dollar to Japanese yen. The dollar continued its upward momentum against the yen, touching the 151.80 mark, as traders speculated on a widening policy gap between the Fed and the Bank of Japan. Gold, XAUUSD. The precious metal saw a sharp sell-off, briefly dropping below $2,150 per ounce as the dollar index strengthened. Crypto impact on Forex. Bitcoin's surge past $72,000 had ripple effects across risk assets, with emerging market currencies like the Turkish lira and Mexican peso showing heightened volatility. Key drivers for the next workday. With the weekend ahead, traders are eyeing key events that could set the tone for the next trading session. FOMC member speeches. Several Fed officials are scheduled to speak, and any hints about the future of interest rate policy could spark moves across the board. U.S. core PCE data. This is a critical inflation indicator. If the number comes in hotter than expected, we might see the dollar extend its gains. Bank of Japan policy speculation. The yen remains under pressure, but if BOJ officials start signaling a policy shift, we could see some major reversals. Geopolitical risks. Ongoing tensions in Eastern Europe and the Middle East continue to influence safe haven flows. Keep an eye on gold and the Swiss franc. Technical outlook for Monday. Euro to US dollar. If bulls can push above 1.0830, we may see an attempt toward 1.0900. Otherwise, a break below 1.0780 could open the door to further downside. Pound sterling to US dollar. 1.2650 remains key resistance. A rejection here could see a pullback toward 1.2550. US dollar to Japanese yen. The next major resistance sits at 152.00. If broken, we could see a run toward 152.50. Gold, the $2,180 level is a critical resistance. Failure to reclaim it might see further declines toward $2,100. Final thoughts and trade ideas. Next week, all eyes will be on inflation data and central bank rhetoric. Stay sharp, manage your risk, and don't chase moves, let the setups come to you. If you found this update helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts on where the market is headed next. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Happy trading!